In this video, I'm going to explain the method that how you can import the points, coordinate points into Design Modeller, and why. Because I want to create the aerofoil shape of my own choice. For example, right now I don't have the option to create the square trailing edge. This is only single point, and I couldn't find the aerofoil with the coordinates where I can create the square trailing edge. So if I import these points through the curve, for example here, so here is a curve option that you know about this thing very well. Okay, so from here I'm going to choose my this file here. Okay, so okay, let's modify this file. Okay, so this file is here, but the issue is this. If you take a look here on the trailing edge, it is not a sharp trailing edge, and or it is not a square trailing edge. So we have the problem here. This is like making a round, but that is very sharp round. So either it should be like the very proper round it should be there, or the like a straight line is there, or it can be the like a sharp trailing edge. But this is none of them. None of them. Okay. So the only option right now is that we have to like import that geometry in the coordinates form. For example, here I have imported that file, and now I can make my own curve. So I can go to the concept menu and I can create 3D curve from these coordinates. For example, I can choose the from the point selection, and I can choose like a pressing control key, and I can create the my curves as I want them. Even I can create the sharp trailing edge or the square trailing edge. Okay, so this is what is the like idea here. So now the thing is that if you are like having that file, so I had the file which was like a square trailing edge. Okay, and the last so what is sharp trailing edge. So the last point is always when we have the same point on the end. What we usually speaking do is that we put the last point as the 0, and we don't put any coordinates at all. This is the file format for the curve. If the trailing edge is a sharp, means that it's a joining at the point. So now if you like import this file will be imported very nicely into the design modeler. But this problem is that, as I told you earlier, this is not a suitable file. Okay, so what I can do here is that I'm modifying here, and I'm putting the 51 here, and I will copy exactly these coordinates here for the first point, that is the last point in the arrow file on the trailing edge, and I will put that point over here. Simple. Okay, so for if you want to import the arrow file with like a curve with a curve, so in that case we have to follow the without this thing. But now if you want to like import the coordinates, then you have to change the file in this way. Okay, now I am going to the design modeler. I'm going to delete all these two commands, and I will click on the point. That you can also do it from the create menu, or you can do it from here. And type is a construction point. Definition is from the coordinates file, and the coordinate file is here. So you have to search for that file, which is here, but make sure that you save the file before after making the changes. Okay, now open this file and click on generate. That's all. Okay, a very simple tutorial about showing you that how you can import the points into design modeler. So you have to modify your coordinate files slightly so that you can be able to import the file in points form into design modeler. Then you can create the curves of your own choice.